everyone, and welcome to Olajo the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to pop on and do day 26 and day 27. Day 26 is background noise. Like, what is my favorite background noise, whether it be TV, some type of music, or podcast? Well, I listen to the TV. I love to watch movies when I crochet. I used to listen to gospel music, especially when I did the prayer shawls and things of that nature. My top background noise would be the TV and also watching content creators' lives and some of their videos. Let's get into day 27, which is yarn storage. I store my yarn in different types of ways. I do use organza bags. I have used some plastic bags, the big Ziploc ones. And I also put some of my yarn in totes. I know some of you may have seen Bag O' Day Crochet and how she bags up her yarn and how she uses the organza bags. She did post that video a long time ago, but she has that on her channel if you'd like to check that out. And also Juan the Yarn Addict recently showed how he bags his yarn up and some of the yarn that he has in his stash. So if you ever want to get any of those different types of yarn storage containers, you can get your organza bags and your Ziploc bags and such on Amazon. There are a number of other places where you can get them as well. You can also get the totes from Walmart, or some local dollar store may have them if you would like to use the regular totes, small, medium, large, extra large, and they also have the underbed totes that you can use as well. They have the little rollers on the bottom and you can pull it out, put your yarn in, and put it right on back. Thank you so much for tuning in to Olajo the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next day for National Crochet Month. We are coming up on the end of the celebration. Check out hashtag OTCS National Crochet Month and watch their videos and their content as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.